This gorgeous Buckingham floor plan from First Texas Homes is now available for immediate move-in at the community of LeTara in Hazlet, Texas. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage floor plan offers 2,399 square feet of custom move-in ready luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 1-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and a covered front porch that offers splendid curb appeal. As you pass through the front door into the foyer, you'll find a spacious bedroom featuring a generous closet and large windows that look out onto the front yard. This bedroom can also be converted into a private study. Adjacent to the bedroom, you'll find a full bath. Down the foyer is the spacious gourmet kitchen, featuring a massive center island with built-in stainless steel sink, a 5-burner gas cooktop with decorative backsplash, a built-in stainless steel double oven with built-in microwave, and plenty of cabinet space. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, with custom lighting and a large window. The massive family room features large radiant windows, a tray ceiling fan, pre-wiring for surround sound, and a gorgeous brick fireplace with custom wood mantel. The private master suite features a tray ceiling fan, crown molding, and large beautiful windows looking out onto the backyard. The master bath features bi-level vanities with makeup area, a massive walk-in shower with seating and custom tile, a deep, relaxing jetted garden tub, and a spacious master closet. 2 additional secondary bedrooms with generous closets and large windows with a reading area complete this floor plan. This Buckingham floor plan also includes a covered patio with outdoor speaker wiring and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This gorgeous Buckingham floor plan is now available to be built in the master plan community of LeTara in Hazlet, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about this Buckingham floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.